Ready to ditch lag and level up your gaming experience? This guide will walk you through transferring your precious game saves, profiles, and everything else from your PS4 Pro to your brand new PS5 Slim, so you can jump right back into the action first. Make sure both your PS4 Pro and PS5 Slim are connected to the same network. Code-wired connection will always give you the fastest transfer speeds. On your PS4 Pro, head to Settings, then System Software Update, and make sure you're running the latest version. Do the same on your PS5 Slim. This prevents compatibility issues. On your PS5 Slim, sign in to the same PlayStation Network account you use on your PS4 Pro. This is crucial for transferring your data. Now, on your PS5 Slim, go to Settings, then Save Data and Game. App Settings, then Save Data PS4. Choose Network Transfer. Your PS5 Slim will search for your PS4 Pro. Once it finds it, select it. On your PS4 Pro, you'll get a prompt asking if you want to allow the PS5 Slim to connect. Select Yes. Back on the PS5 Slim, you'll see a list of your games and applications. Choose what you want to transfer. Hit Start Transfer. The time it takes depends on how much data you're moving. Be patient. Another option is using an external hard drive. Make sure it's formatted as exFAT. Plug it into your PS4 Pro. Go to Settings, then Applications. Save Data Management, then Save Data in System Storage, then Copy to USB storage device. Select the saves you want and copy them to the external drive. Then plug the drive into your PS5 Slim and go to Settings, Save Data and Game. App Settings, then Save Data PS4 and choose Copy from USB drive. And finally, if you're a PlayStation Plus member, you can upload your saved data to the cloud on your PS4 Pro and then download it to your PS5 Slim. That's it. Now you can dive back into your favorite games on your PS5 Slim. Happy gaming!